How to become successful in research. Hello and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in pursuing a career in research or simply looking to improve your skills, then you've come to the right place. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to become successful in research. So, without further ado, let's get started. Tip 1. Set clear goals. The first tip is to set clear goals for your research. This means defining the research questions you want to answer, the methods you will use, and the outcomes you hope to achieve. Having a clear goal in mind will help you stay focused and motivated throughout the research process. Tip 2. Develop strong research skills. The second tip is to develop strong research skills. This includes critical thinking, data analysis, effective communication, and staying up to date with the latest research and techniques in your field. You can do this by attending workshops, seminars, and conferences, as well as by networking with other researchers in your field. Tip 3. Collaborate with others. The third tip is to collaborate with others. Collaboration with other researchers and experts in your field can provide new perspectives and ideas and increase the likelihood of successful outcomes. This means building networks and partnerships with other researchers, institutions, and organizations. Tip 4. Seek mentorship. The fourth tip is to seek mentorship from experienced researchers. A mentor can guide you through the research process, provide feedback and support, and help you develop new skills and knowledge. Look for mentors who have experience in your field and who share your research interests. Tip 5. Stay organized. The fifth tip is to stay organized throughout the research process. This involves creating a clear research plan, keeping track of deadlines, and maintaining detailed notes and records of your work. Organization is key to avoiding mistakes and ensuring that you stay on track with your research goals. Tip 6. Pursue funding opportunities. The sixth and final tip is to pursue funding opportunities. Funding can help to support your research, provide access to resources and equipment, and increase the likelihood of successful outcomes. This means staying up to date with the latest funding opportunities and submitting high-quality grant proposals. So, there you have it, my top 6 tips for becoming successful in research. I hope you found these tips helpful, and if you have any other tips to share, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.